Now that we already had our previous videos about identifying if the equations are really perfect square trinomial, now let us try to factor equations which are perfect square trinomial. So number one, syempre, kaya ako nga tinuro sa inyo kung paano mag-identify kung perfect square trinomial ba o hindi. Para mas madali sa atin kung paano mag-factor. So like for example, number 1, kailangan i-identify ko muna kung perfect square trinomial siya. Okay? So yung first term ba nito, may square root? Yes. Yung last term ba nito, may square root? Yes. So kung ang square roots nila ay x and then 9, multiply ko lang. So I have what? X times 9 is, yes, 9x. Pero, kailangan times 2. So, 9x times 2, we have 18x. So, number 1 is really a perfect square trinomial. Now, let us try to factor this. So, syempre, kapag alam na natin na perfect square trinomial yan, madali na lang i-factor. Bakit? Kasi, kapag perfect square trinomial siya, ang gagawin ko lang, kunin ang square root nito, which is alam ko naman, x. So, square root niyan, which is x. And then, kunin ko lang din yung square root ni last term, which is square root of 81 is 9. And then, what am I going to do? So, pagsamahin ko lang siya, x, and then 9, dalawang kopya, so x, and then 9. Ngayon, titignan ko yung given. Okay? Ito ang magsasabi sa atin kung anong operation yan. Okay? Etong operation na to ang magsasabi sa atin kung anong operation dapat ang ilagay dito. Since ito ay plus, so plus siya. Parehong plus. Okay? So, yun na yung factor. Ganun lang kadali. Kaya, tinuro ko sa inyo kung paano mag-identify ng perfect square trinomial. Kasi once that we already know na perfect square trinomial siya, madali na lang siyang i-factor. Okay? Now, let us have our second example. So, we have here, x raised to 4 minus 81x squared plus 16. Check natin kung may mga square roots ba sila or kung talaga bang perfect square trinomial siya. So, x raised to 4, ano bang square root ni x raised to 4? So, we have what? X raised to 2 or x squared. So, yan ang square root niya. Yung last term, which is 16, may square root ba yan? Yes. And that is 4. Ngayon, kailangan kong i-identify kung tama ba yung middle term. Okay? Baka dito ako nililito ni ma'am sa middle term. Okay? Pag hindi ko chinek yung middle term, malilito ako ni ma'am. Baka akalain kong perfect square pala siya, pero hindi naman pala. So, check natin yung middle term. Etong 4 na to, si 4, multiply ko lang kay x squared. 4 multiplied by x squared is 4x squared. Pero, kailangan times 2. Okay? Kailangan doble. So, 4x squared multiplied by 2 is 8x squared. So, tama. This equation in number 2 is really a perfect square trinomial. Okay? So, dahil alam na natin na perfect square trinomial siya, i-factor na natin siya. So, ang gagawin ko lang, kopyahin ko itong mga square root na to. So, x squared, tsaka 4. At ilang kopya nga yun? 2. So, x squared and then 4. Now, this time, etong operation na to, ang mag-i-indicate sa atin, ayan, yung operation na yan. Yan ang mag-i-indicate sa atin kung anong operation ang ilalagay natin sa kanilang dalawa. Okay? So, since minus yan, minus din to. Oops, nakalimutan ko yung squared. Ayan. So, we have x squared minus 4, x squared minus 4. Iyan na yung factor. Oops. Iyan na yung factor. Okay?